Welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple pencil design in SolidWorks. So it is basic tutorial for the beginners, and in this video I will tell you so many commands like extrude, boss base, revolve, cut, split command and many more. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. So let's see how we create this model in SolidWorks. So first of all, go to the file. Now select new. Here select part, then OK, and simply change the background to plain white. So select here, again go to the top plane, right click, sketch, and make it normal. Here we select the polygon, so simply select, and from this origin point make the one polygon up to, make sure it is vertical to this axis. Now go to the smart dimension, select this point and this point. This gap will be 4 mm. Then go to the features, and here we select the extruded boss base and extrude up to this one 80 mm. So make it, then OK. Now here select this face, right click, sketch, and make it normal. Now select the circle, and we make the circle from this origin point up to here. Now go to the smart dimension and make it 1.5 diameter. Now exit the sketch. So here we apply the split features to all this corner and face. So go to the curve, and here we select split line. So here we select this sketch, and here we select the face. So select all the face separately. Again select this one, select this face, select, and the last one this face. Now again select this face, then OK. Now we apply the split feature on this face. So again we make the fillet to all the corner of 0.5. So go to the fillet command and make it 0.5 mm, and select this corner. So here we select connected to start to 5 edge. So select this one. So it will selected all this edge, then OK. Now again we make the revolve cut. So go to the right plane, sketch, and make it normal. And here we make the center line, and make the center line from this point up to this one. So better to select here. And make it up to this one. Now select the line and make the line from this point. So select this point and make up to here. Select this one and select, and join this point. So go to the smart dimension and select this line and this line. The angle will be 12 mm. So select this line and this one, and make it, sorry, it will be not selected. And make it 12 degree, and from this point and this point this will be 11.76 mm. Then okay, now go to the features, and here we select the revolve cut. Here we apply, here it will ask axis of rotation, so select this center line, then okay. Now we cut this portion, and again select the right plane, sketch, normal, and here we select the line and make the line up to this one. Make sure it is horizontal. Go to the smart dimension, select this point, and this point the gap will be 2.5 mm. Now go to the features and go to the curves, select the split line. Here it will select this sketch, and we select this face, so then okay. So we apply the split on this face. Again select this right plane, sketch, then normal, and here we also make the rectangle here. So it's better to make the extrude features on this face, so select this face, right click, sketch, and make it convert entity. Now go to the features and select extruded boss base and extrude up to 0.5 mm only, then okay. And here we apply the dome feature on this face, so go to the insert command, and here we select features, select this dome features. Here we select this face and make it 1.5 mm. So make it 1.5 and select this face. So it's take time. Here we untick this continuous dome, so it make the particular shape, then okay. Again select the right plane, sketch, select the right plane, right click, sketch, so it will select. Then make it normal, and here we make the corner rectangle, and make up to here. Now go to the smart dimension. This gap will be 1.5 mm, and from this point and this one, this will be 10 mm. Now exit the sketch, and here go to the curve, select split line, and select this. So select this sketch, and here we select this face. So select separately all this face. Then OK. Now here we apply the split on this face. So we apply the color and material on this one. So select this one, right click, and go to the appearance, select this face and make it black, and select this face, appearance, select this face and make it also black color, and select separately all this line. So we apply the render on this pencil design. And select this. So we apply all this face, this color, then OK. And here we make it white color. So select this face, go to the appearance, select face and make it white. Now we apply this on this face with red color. So select this face, go to the appearance and we select this. So again select this one, then OK. Now here we apply this on this face. So select this face right click and go to the appearance, select face, and here we go to the appearance and select the organic. Here we select wood and select this one. So we apply this material on this. So we design this simple pencil design in SolidWorks, and here we, if you want to make the motion, so go to the motion study and here we select animation and select rotate model, next, and make the duration 10 seconds, then finish. So we apply this motion on this pencil design. So I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching.